We're here with Paul, Vice President of Recycle Solutions. Hi, Paul.
Hi, how are you?
So, are you ready to give us a tour of the recycle facility?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead.
As you can see, this is the main processing plant at Recycle Solutions. Material comes in. This door, or docks, is dropped on the floor, and our guys take this material and separate it into different holding bins, like horse stalls. We have cardboard, we have newspaper, we have office grade, white paper, and printer's grade paper in these bins. When these bins are full, we take our front loader, or skid steer, and load our conveyor belt. We can take a walk this way. As you can see, sometimes we have to do a lot of separation. This came in from a city rubbish truck. It's mostly cardboard, but we still have to do a lot of separation to keep the plastic and contaminants out. The paper mills that we supply ask us for a certain grade of material, and we have to give them the kind of grade of material that they want. Cardboard gets made into cardboard. This type of material, which is a mixed paper, is made into a variety of different things: paper, acoustical ceilings, shingles. For this type of material here, which is assorted office waste grade, gets made into tissue products: paper towels, napkins, paper plates. This material here, which is a white ledger grade, is made into liner board. It's the white face on a gift box or new white paper. We'll walk this way. This grade of paper here, the printer's grade, is also made into a number of tissue type products. This is the baling unit. This is the workhorse of our operation. Materials dropped onto the conveyor belt where our guys separate contaminants out. It goes up. I want to see a bale come out. This goes up this big belt, and this machine has two rams, which pushes paper one way and another way, and kicks out a bale of paper like this. This bale right here is a finished product and will be sold directly to a paper mill. This material again will be made into new paper. This will be made into filler for recycled paper or products like acoustical ceilings and shingles. This is a variety of other paper that we collect. This is white grade. This is the highest quality grade of paper that we recycle here. No de-inking, which means there's no print on there, so they don't have to send it into, Clorox type product to pull any ink out. This goes directly into new paper or liner board. When the bales get done, they're taken over to our holding part of our plant, where these bales will immediately be put onto a mill truck and sent directly to a paper mill. So we can watch a bale come out of it.
Okay. And is there a size, or how do you do it? Is there a specific weight that every bale has to be? How do you know?
We try to make our bales between 1,200 and 1,800 pounds, depending on the material that we make. You can see here the bale's being kicked out automatically and automatically being tied. It makes a very nice bale.
Yeah, it does. It's fascinating to even learn about all these.
The biggest part of our job is separation. We need to keep paper separate to what the mills specify. This type of paper is our lowest grade paper because there's not a lot of separation. That's why it's the lowest quality. But in some cases, it's better than not recycling at all. Some people don't take the time and can't take the time to recycle or separate the material, so they throw everything together. A lot of municipalities and cities do it this way only because they want to recover as much paper as possible. So we work with them now. Okay. And there's still a value to it.
Definitely. So what other products do you recycle? What if you have to recycle cans and aluminums? Is there a way that you do it, or you do it through the same equipment? How do you do it?
We use the same machine. We recycle all grades of plastic, aluminum cans, and different types of metals. If the metals need to be baled, we can put the metals through here. As you saw earlier, we have vacuum cleaners, and we have all grades of restaurant or bakery type plastics. We bale it all together and we sell it to a consumable market. Most of the plastics get made into new plastics. They get made into plastic lawn furniture, parking blocks. Plastics are becoming an up and moving grade, and we're trying to get more and more involved in that. Right now we're working specifically on paper. Tomorrow we may move into plastics.
Okay.
But this is our holding area. This is where everything gets held until the mill trucks come and pick it up. All these docks here are for incoming loads or outcoming loads.
Okay.
Everything's weighed on scale, so we know exactly what comes in and exactly what goes out.
The scale to weigh in every bale.
Right. Okay. So that's the 10-minute tour, and it seems like a simple process, but it's a little more complicated than most people think. And what we're doing is a good thing for the community. We do a good thing for our customers because we buy a lot of this paper from them. And it's a revenue stream for a lot of companies. In other cases, it's a waste-saving remedy for a lot of customers as well.
So where can, if people need to contact you for more information, or if people want to come out for a tour, is it open to public, or how do they reach you?
They can reach us at 216-271-0300. That's our office phone. And feel free to ask for Lindsay, Janet, or myself, Paul. And anyone can come out for a visit. They can come out and see exactly what's going on with a product that they may be recycling right now, and see some of the products that are actually being made with some of the paper that we're sending to the paper mills. We're very excited to work with anybody that wants to recycle.
Excellent. Thank you so much for your time, Paul, and I really enjoyed the tour and learning a lot. Thank you
very much.